and a Happy New Year. Let's start the year off right by giving back to the handsome nation. Whether you've been here since day one or you just stumbled upon my channel today, I would like to say thank you to each and every subscriber. To celebrate the new year, we will have 2 winners selected at random. The grand prize winner will win a smart light starter kit, which comes with a Chalk Google Home Mini and a GE Sea Life Smart Bulb. Also, the winner will receive a gray Kiwi design G2 magnetic wall mount for your new Google Home Mini.
Nice!
The other winner will receive a charcoal Google Home Mini and a black Kiwi design G2 magnetic wall mount. The grand prize retail value is $55 for the Smart Light Starter Kit and $11.99 for the Kiwi design G2 wall mount. The second winner's retail value is $49 for the Google Home Mini and $11.99 for the Kiwi design G2 wall mount. And of course, the odds are based upon the number of entries that are accepted.
Winner!
All the giveaway rules and requirements will be in the description below, so make sure to check them out before entering. And I am the sponsor for this New Year's giveaway. This giveaway will begin at 9:01 a.m. Pacific Standard Time on January 2nd, 2019. And it shall end at 11:59 p.m. Pacific Standard Time on January 12th, 2019. All you have to do to have a valid entry is be 18 years or older, be a resident and have a mailing address here in the United States, subscribe to Handsome Gadgets, like this video, and leave a comment below. I will announce the winners directly through a YouTube message, and I will post it on my Twitter account. It's that easy. And of course, I will continue to have more giveaways as the channel grows.
Could you please
share my content to help me reach my goal of at least 10,000 subscribers in 2019. I have a lot of exciting videos that I will be posting weekly every Wednesday at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time.
Yahoo!
So make sure your notification bell is turned on so you can stay in the loop for all things Handsome Gadgets. Good luck to everybody. Thank you and have a good one.